Well, hello there. Lilia from Ditch the Diet Studio is here. Are you losing motivation to work out? If you are, you're not alone. I get so many messages these days from my clients. Lilia, I'm losing motivations. I really don't feel like working out. Well, I understand, but do I say, oh, that's okay, just sit on the couch until all this is over and come back to the studio with 10, 20, 30 pounds extra and health down and immune system is down? No, I would never, ever do that for my clients, ever, because I care about them. The thing is that it is difficult. It is difficult. It's not easy. We are all in these things together. You know that you need to exercise, right? You know that you need to eat healthy. You know that you need to take care of your immune system. You know this more than ever before these days. The problem goes back to motivation. How can you motivate yourself when you don't have a gym to go, you don't have a fitness studio to go, you don't have a person who will push you? You need to be accountable. So it's about accountability, absolutely. But you have only yourself, and the only one person you could be accountable, it's yourself. Even though you know all this stuff that you're supposed to do, you just don't feel like doing it because there's lack of motivation most of the days. Okay, one thing. I want you to try this approach. Think about how are you going to feel if you don't do the workout today. Let's say today you plan, you need to plan your workouts like you used to do before, going before work to the gym, after work to the gym, so it has to be exactly the same routine. So let's say today's you're supposed to work out, and you woke up in the morning and you feel like, I don't wanna change my pajama today. Okay, at that point, remember this advice. How you're going to feel if you do nothing today? Tell me, how are you going to feel? I can assume you're going to feel even less motivational. You're going to feel even less energy. Your immune system is going to go down even more, and you're going to hate yourself. You're going to feel that you are a failure. You're going to feel like you're not good enough. Sounds familiar? So here is what I want you to try to do. So when you feel like you don't want to work out, so stop at the moment. Stop and think how I am going to feel when I do the workout. What are the feelings going to be after you accomplish even short workout? You're going to feel more energy. You're going to feel more motivational. Your health is going to improve even from 5 to 10 minutes a day, right? And psychologically, you're going to feel like you accomplished something today. you did something. The check mark. It's a big mental part, right? So here you go. That's all I wanted you to say. Try it. Try it and let me know how it will go for you, okay?